still the investigators, the probers are hot on their tracks, especially pieces of evidence that can be collected. Okay, can be collected and material for their prosecution para mahatulan natin. As of now, we are trying to make some arrests, but sinasabi ko nga, we have a good case already. So soon, we'll have to identify all, including the mastermind. Of course, hindi pa natin na-identify. So, what we are looking into right now is we need to establish yung ating motive. The strongest motive there is they are hired by syndicate. That is the thing that pwede natin mai-draw when nandun pa kasi yung mga investigator natin, nagbibigay ng mga assumptions, hypotheses based on facts and evidence that we have gathered so far.